coming to you live from Monster Trucks Island. Today, the monster trucks must race down, and there's a broken piece of the bridge. They must race down and to see who can get past the finish line first. To see who's the fastest. Let's go. First up, Roger Dodger finishes race ace. And go. Ooh. What a battle. But race ace couldn't keep up when the truck triggered. And Roger Dodger will advance on to the next round. Next up, Twin Mail versus Demo. Go. Oh. Demo moves on to the next round for that race. Loco Punk versus Psycho Duck. Go. Ooh, Loco Punk takes the lead on the train tracks and then smacked his head. He's advancing on to the next round. Tay Sharp versus Jerry Delivery. And go. Tiger Shark takes the lead, and Tiger Shark will advance on to the next round. Next up, Steer Clear versus Shark Creek. And go. Ooh, Steer Clear steers the wrong way. I was getting a little and Shark Creek get 3 stars in the next round. Next up, Monosaurus versus Bone Shaker. Go. Monosaurus takes that one. He took that race was totally good for Monosaurus. Next up, V8 Bomber versus Bigfoot. Go. V8 Bomber takes the lead. Ooh, photo finish. But looks like Bigfoot barely stole that one. Bigfoot's advancing. Who's the next round? Last race, 5 Alarm versus Torque Terror. Who's on? This time, Torque Terror. Oh. Alright. Torque Terror moves on to the next round. Next up, round 2, Roger Dodgers versus Demo Derby. Go. Okay, that was not that really a fair race. We'll do that one again. Just for Roger Dodger. I mean, at least that race was not fair. Yeah, and Roger Dodger tried taking him out. Flipping on Roger Dodger. Moving on to the semis. Next up, Loco Punk versus Tiger Shark. Yeah. Ooh, close race. But Loco Punk is moving on to the next round. Next up, Shark Creek first. First is Monosaurus. And go. Ooh, Shark Creek speeds off for an easy win. Bigfoot versus Torque Terror. Torque Terror outruns the competition. And Torque Terror will be advancing into the semis. Who's gonna finals? Roger Dodger, Loco Funk, Shark Creek, and Torque Terror. Let's start. Roger Dodger versus Loco Funk. Go. Ooh. Oh, but Roger Dodger will advance that one for a cool takeout. For a cool, you have to do coolest. Okay, next up, Shark Creek versus Torque Terror. Go. Ooh. Close race, but Torque Terror barely stood that. We're in the finals. No one has won. No one has won this race. Let's see who wins. Go. Oh! But Torque Terror giving the win for the race. Torque Terror's our winner. See you next time on the Tournament of Titans.